So it actually had a thing where I can clear the, there was a problem. It said, you know, the reason why I knew there was a problem, there was a, the check engine light came on. So you can actually clear that through the app, which is great because now I know what the problems are and I can get that annoying little check engine light on because it's not a major problem. All right, so here we have the FIXD sensor, which is going to tell me what exactly is wrong with my car. I have already taken it out of the box, but this is what it looks like taking it out of the box. Here's the unit that I'm going to connect to some part of my car. I don't know quite yet what it is, but getting started, I've already downloaded the app, and it just says very simple. Jumped into the app store, downloaded the app, took a couple seconds. Now I'm just going to do what it says, which is follow the instructions on the FIXD app and get registered and get set up. So basically, I've downloaded the app now, and what they do is they tell you, they ask you if you have the FIXD sensor, which I did, and now they're saying just enter the sensor code below. So I'm just going to type that in. So now I got to attach this to my port. I don't know where it is. Here we go, found it. It's now attached to my port. It says turn the car on. Found it. Nice. Success. Just that easy. Well, I'm not going to set up the premium membership quite yet. Let me just scan without the premium, see what's going on. And we'll do scan. Tap to scan. Communicating. It's a pretty old vehicle, so I'm sure there will be a lot of things coming up. All right, 2 issues. You'll attempt to do most of the repairs yourself, half and half. Let's do half and half. See what's going on. O2 sensor number 1 is broken, and the fuel level sensor high input. All right. So we got 2 things, 2 issues found. Pretty cool. So there you have it. It works really well. Gives you a couple things. Let's check out the fuel level. This is a minor issue. Faulty fuel level reading. All right, perfect. Well, as you can see, it works very well.
Got the FIXD sensor right here. We're going to plug that right into the port, and through the sensor, it's going to pull up what's wrong. There we go. Ooh, 1 issue found. It's exactly the same thing that was on the $2,000 unit.
So this is where we bring all our cars. I'm going to loosen the gas cap so the check engine light will come on, and we'll see what they say the problem is. So what's going on here, huh?
Well, I checked it out, and what I found out, it looks like it's your fuel tank pressure sensor. You're gonna be looking at $400 on parts and labor to replace the part.
Okay, well, thank you so much, and I'll talk to my husband. We'll get back to you. Red-handed. I caught that guy red-handed. They could have told me anything. They could have said $1,000. I would have believed them. We never did trust those guys.
I want to show you something I think is really neat. I just got this. This is the mechanic that's always with you. It's called FIXD. It plugs right into the diagnostic port of your car, just like my big units do here. You pull up a FIXD app on your phone, and it will go through the diagnosis of the car. It'll tell you why the check engine light came on. It not only gives you what's wrong with the car, it'll tell you what it should cost when you go into the mechanic.
So the app has an answer for our check engine light, but how accurate are its results? Is what it found the same as what Lance initially changed under the hood?
We disconnected one of the ignition coils, so one of the cylinders is misfiring.
So is that pretty accurate in terms of what it found to be the problem?
Yes, pretty accurate.
Lance reconnects the ignition coil to see if the FIXD app can clear the indicator light after the problem has been fixed.
And it did clear the check engine light. The overall ease of it to use was very simple. For what we said on it, it was very accurate. With the coil being disconnected, it said exactly what the concern was.
I gotta ask you this big question. Does it work?
Yes, it works.
Underneath the dash is that OBD port I was telling you about. Every single car made after 1996 and then is gas powered has that port. Now I'm going to bring FIXD down. We're going to plug it right into that socket just like that. And then I'm going to come up here and start the truck. All right. Now on my phone, I already have the FIXD app downloaded. We're going to punch it right there, up it comes, and you see it already says 2015 Chevy Tahoe. It recognizes the truck. Tap to scan. Right down here, you can see what's going on. It's already communicating with the FIXD, and it's saying, hey, the check engine light is on. Let's figure out why that's happening. Well, here are all the reasons that that check engine light is on right now. The catalyst system has a low efficiency on bank 1. The fuel mixture is imbalanced. Now, if I go back to the home screen and I push this little engine indicator up here, it tells you all the different lights on the dash that FIXD can diagnose. Over here, you click on your multi-vehicle button so you can have your son, your wife, your friend. Just take your FIXD from vehicle to vehicle and it will keep track of all those different cars. Basically, FIXD gives you every single piece of information you need, so it's like your car is talking to you. And it's doing it in plain English. It makes it super, super simple to take the best care of your car possible and save as much money as you possibly can.
To be honest, I was gonna bag on it. I was gonna tear this thing up, but I have nothing bad to say. It tells you exactly what you need in plain English. My favorite part is the maintenance reminders. It's gonna shoot you text, show you on the app. Need an oil change? Oil change is the easiest thing you can do to keep your car running healthy. With this, you're not an idiot anymore. There's no reason why every car owner shouldn't have one.
With every FIXD purchase, you get the FIXD sensor that plugs into your car, the free app that shows why your check engine light is on, continuous monitoring that alerts you of any problem, and multi-vehicle control by linking multiple sensors, plus a 30-day money-back guarantee. We're always running special promotions, so you can get additional discounts and free shipping. Who doesn't love free shipping?